Welcome to our channel. If you're buying a used phone, follow these step-by-step instructions to check the IMEI and verify it's not blacklisted or reported stolen. Step 1. Locate the phone's IMEI number by dialing *#06# on the device. The 15-digit IMEI code will display immediately on the screen for all carriers. Step 2. Write down or photograph the IMEI number for verification. You can also find the IMEI on the phone's original box, in settings under About Phone, or on the SIM tray. Step 3. Visit free IMEI checking websites like imei.info or your carrier's IMEI verification tool. These services provide basic information about the device and its activation status. Step 4. Use a comprehensive paid IMEI check service for detailed history. Services like CheckMend or CTIA's Stolen Phone Checker provide thorough reports on blacklist status and carrier locks. Step 5. Verify the phone isn't reported stolen, lost, or flagged for insurance fraud. Blacklisted phones cannot be activated on most carriers and are essentially worthless. Step 6. Confirm the phone is carrier unlocked if buying for use on your network. Locked phones only work with specific carriers and may require unlocking fees or waiting periods. Step 7. Check if there's an outstanding payment plan or financial hold. Some carriers blacklist phones when previous owners stop making device payment plan installments. Step 8. Request the seller provide proof of purchase and clean IMEI. Legitimate sellers should have no problem demonstrating the phone's clean status and ownership history. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.